first we will discuss what are AI tools. It is important to understand the meaning of term AI. AI or artificial intelligence refers to computer system that can learn, analyze, and assist in decision making. In education, AI tool helps teacher to plan lessons, personalize learning, assess student, and increase classroom engagement. AI work as teaching assistant, remember, not as a replacement for teachers. So keep this in mind that AI is just assisting the teacher, it is not replacing the teacher. No one can replace teachers. So now we will discuss the uses of AI tools in teaching. First is role of AI in lesson planning. AI tool help teachers in planning and preparation across subjects. Like for example, science example we can take. A science teacher can use AI to create animated explanation of photosynthesis, or it can be electricity, simulate virtual experiments where lab access is limited. So AI simulation show how chemical reacts. So for example, tool like Chat GPT, Magic School AI, and Canva AI help teachers save time and focus more on students' interaction. So personalized learning with AI. Every learner is different. AI tool analyze student performance and provide learning material according to individual needs. For example, Khan Academy recommend practice questions based on students' mistake. Duolingo adjusts language difficulty according to learner progress. So this ensures no student is left behind and no student definitely not feel bored. So third is assessment and feedback, which is very important. Assessment is crucial part of teaching, as we all know. So AI tool helps by automatically checking assignments, providing instant feedback, which is very important for the teachers and as well as for the students, identifying learning gaps through analytics. We can take example here. Google Form instantly analyzed test result. Quiz AI shows which question most student answered incorrectly. So we can discuss that question in the classroom, why students are not able to answer correctly. This allows teachers to focus more on guidance, counseling, and their mentoring. The next is classroom engagement using AI. AI makes learning interactive and student centered. Teachers can use AI based quizzes in the classroom, interactive videos she can make, virtual simulation can be used. So examples like Nearpod allows live quizzes and polls during class. Ed puzzles lets teachers embed questions inside videos. So as a result, students become active participant, not passive listener. Then AI for inclusive education and special education. AI plays a major role in inclusive classroom, especially for students with special needs. So AI future include like text to speech for visually impaired learners, speech to text for writing difficulties, language translation for multilingual classrooms. For example, Microsoft Immersive Reader reads text aloud and simplifies content. Speechify helps students with reading challenges. Thus, AI prompts equal learning opportunities for all. So, if AI is doing everything, so what is the role of the teacher in the classroom? As I already told you in the starting of the video, that AI is just used as assistant. It will not replace the teacher. So AI is not a replacement for teacher. Facilitator for learning, guides and mentors. Definitely emotional support must be given by the teacher, and ethical leader. Then AI support learning, but teacher shapes the character of the student. This is very important. Advantages of AI in classroom: it save times, it improve learning outcomes, it reduce the workload of the teacher, it focus on the personalized instruction. It here teacher can focus on individual centered learning, child centered learning. It helps in improving their teaching effectiveness by doing assessments. Then it include help in including all type of students in the classroom. So challenges of AI in classroom: overuse of technology. While AI tools are helpful, excessive dependence on technology can be reduced, like face to face interaction, critical thinking, creativity, and social skills. Students may become passive learner, relying too much on AI generated answer instead of developing their own understanding. Then next is data privacy and security issues. AI tools collect large amount of student data such as academic performance, learning behavior, person information. So if this data is not handled properly, it can lead to privacy breaches or misuse. For example, online platform storing student details without strong security measure. This is the major concern of today's generation. Then next is digital divide. Not all students have equal access to devices like laptop, tablets, stable internet connectivity, digital learning resources. This creates inequality between urban or rural students, or it can be said private or government school students. A student without internet access cannot benefit from AI based homework or assessment. The need for teacher training. This is very important. Many teachers may lack technical skills, feel hesitant or anxious about using AI. So, without proper training, AI tool may be underutilized or misused. So, AI tools have transformed science, maths, language, social science, and creative subjects. However, the best learning happens when technology work with teachers, not instead of them. The future of education lies in blending AI with pedagogy and human beings, which is very important. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Thank you for watching.